So most people solve this question like 8 divided by 6, 8 plus 16 is equal to 24. Divide 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. But here this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question we have one addition, one division and one subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve division, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. So is equal to 8 plus, now 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 minus 2. Now we have addition and subtraction and both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this addition. Okay. Is equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 minus 2. Now 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so the correct answer is 10.